So now back on track with practice assignment 3, number 4 says use the pentatonic subset. I'm not going to try and get into too much of the whys of scales right now, but the first set was open strings. And these next 4 notes, there's one for each of those open strings where you're adding left-hand notes in there. Hopefully you've looked at the previous section and you're familiar with them because we did them by string. When you add these notes to the open strings, we get something called a pentatonic scale, which we'll study in class. That's why they're called the pentatonic subset here. But we're just going to practice them. So on the 4th string, G was open, so A will be your second finger. Good, and you're using your second finger to play it. And then on your 3rd string, the open string was C, and so the D will be your second finger. Good. And then on the 2nd string, which was an open E, we skip the F and we go right to G, which is your 3rd finger. Good. And then on the A string, which is the 1st string, we skip the B altogether and we go to the C again, which is not a surprise because, well, it's in the original open strings as well, although lower. And that would be 3 right there. Good. So let's practice a couple of these. I'm going to have these set up so we can see them both. What's this one called?
That is A.
And that's on the 4th string, so it's going to be played with 2 right there. And what's this one called?
That's C.
And that's on your 1st string, and you play it with a 3. Good. And what's this one called?
That is D.
And that's on your 2nd string, and it's played with a, 3rd string, and it's played with a 2. Good. And this is called a
G.
And that's played on your 2nd string, and it's 3rd finger. And if you want a quick way to think of it, 2, 2, 3, 3, although we need to get good at naming these things as well. Why don't you go 2, 2, 3, 3, one at a time. 2 is the A, 2 is the D, 3 is the C, a G, and 3 is the C.